Hey little artists, let's color the rainbow together. First up, let's start with a bright and bold red. Next, we'll add a warm orange, like orange fruit. Here comes yellow, as bright as the sun. Now let's go green, like the fresh grass. Blue is next, just like the sky. Now let's add indigo, a rich, deep blue. And finally, violet, a soft and sweet purple. Let's practice together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Great job!